SRF is unique and special because it's a medium-sized society, but one that offers amazing support to all reproductive scientists from every stage of their career.
I've met people from all over the world. It's been so exciting to just get to know all the different parts of fertility research and to see how broad the field truly is.
Everybody was really welcoming, really enthusiastic to get to know new members, which is always really great when you don't know a lot of people and you're kind of stepping into a new area.
The organisation is really to be applauded and congratulated on how much support it gives for junior members to come along to meetings, because these can be really quite expensive normally.
So there's funding to support small research projects, there's funding to support their attendance at meetings, their ability to be able to present.
If you are a member of SRF, you're also eligible for the mentoring scheme, in which we have a list of almost 20 mentors available on the website.
The Society also has a range of awards that you can also apply for, and it's always great to try be nominated for some of these in order to perhaps improve the sort of strength of your CV and your standing in the field.
We can share your work through our social media platforms and events that we have, and blogs, websites, and we can be that vehicle to help you as a member.
As SRF, we have that ability to interface those kind of reproductive biology advances in all the ways and shapes that they come, from kind of comparative through to human, through to domestic animal kind of research, which I think is one of the strengths that SRF brings.
It's very much run by its members, and you therefore have an opportunity to be part and to take part, take responsibility, help guide it.
What we do is great, but it can be kind of lonely sometimes, because you sometimes feel like you're just doing the work by yourself in the lab or in an office or on your laptop, and I think by being like an active participant in a society, it allows you to feel like you're part of a bigger endeavour.
It has given me the opportunity to organise numerous events for early career researchers and given me skills that I never would have had before, which has been invaluable for my career development.
As an international or US-based member of SRF, I've really been surprised at how beneficial being a member of the society has been for me.
When I started my own lab in the UK, I realised quite quickly I didn't have like a network of people and colleagues here. And I think one of the benefits for like full members is having that network of people who you can interact with and talk with.
It's pretty tough out there to get funding to do our research. So I think it's great the way the SRF offers vacation scholarships, for example, and the academic scholarships.
There's lots of small pots of money that you can apply for as sort of a later stage researcher like myself, and being awarded this type of money can be really significant in terms of then further developing your research and demonstrating your independence.
You also never know what like cool, interesting collaborations could happen as well. So I think that's one really nice and helpful thing about the society.
The fertility meetings are just fantastic. And I really like how we run these symposia where we have members from all three societies together, asking questions from a speaker that's generating interest across all of those societies.
We held a public engagement event called One Night Stand Save Our Sperm, where we paired some scientific experts who are members of the society with celebrities who had publicly spoken about issues they had with sperm health and fertility. And all the science and the stuff we do in the lab and the clinics actually has a real impact in people's lives.
We have embarked on an initiative to create a series of educational resources, the first of which is a new ebook related to reproduction in a changing world, how environmental factors like heat exposure, pollution, how they may be impacting on our bodies and particularly our reproductive system.
The networking opportunities that they afford early career members in particular is something that I've noticed the society has developed significantly over the years, and I think it's in a really great pace, particularly for sort of university undergraduates and early postgraduate students to join.
Let's be honest, we all have very similar passions in this area of science, so it's nice to get a group of people with the same interests and passions together.
It really reignited my love of the research and my confidence in myself as a scientist at a time when I was seriously contemplating leaving academia.
It's just a lovely community, so supportive and open.
You can go and talk to anyone, whether they've just won some fantastic award or you're just a new PhD student, whoever. There's always commonality in science to discuss, and we've all had the same struggles and battles to, get that experiment to work, get that analysis to work, get the funding. Everyone's been there, and so there's a great, shared purpose.
I really urge people to join a society, and there's none better than the SRF.
I would just really encourage people to get active and be involved, because it's a wonderful place to talk about science and just life.
I've had so much valuable experience, lots of useful advice that's really helped me along the way, and I can't recommend it enough.